Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, where you can get your fix. Ripple that Winkle is your host. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. It's Sunday, May 4th, and I must say that this year is going rather quickly, especially with the bull run's enthusiasm. We can all sense it. We can all taste it. We have a lot to break down in this episode, but we all know it's coming in a big way. We're talking about how the XRP chart's key indications are beginning to turn around and how the smart money is now acting in a bullish manner while they wait to hear this clip and the assets they're purchasing. You're not thinking of the typical three. Given the impending FOMO setting and Bitcoin breakout pattern, are you in danger of falling behind? Without further ado, sit back and unwind. It's starting to look a lot like 2017. Let's get started with a $95,097 Bitcoin transaction. It has shown some life on the hourly Ethereum coming at 1,831, but it is currently down 7.1%. The 24-hour USDT, USDC are both coming in at their dollar pegs, while XRP is holding down the fourth slot while continuing to fluctuate between the 219 and 221 area, as you can see from the XRP chart. As we previously mentioned, we had that enigmatic resistance level that appeared out of nowhere between 220 and 226. That is precisely where we are currently trapped. Going forward, we need a little momentum. Bitcoin appears to be on the verge of reaching $100,000. The next stop is 120, 125, after which we can sort of back off. It's on and moving much higher than that. Review the charts to determine where the ultimate blow-up top will occur. Between 175 and 225, that's what I would assume if I had to take it right now. And it will happen in this year's fourth quarter. I started investing in cryptocurrency in 2017, and this bull run is exactly what we're looking for. We experienced a brief run at the start of the year and a final run near the end of October. The market began to pick up speed in October and November, and XRP stopped its run in January of that year. However, all of the alts in December had already blown their lids and gone completely crazy, with the entire cryptocurrency market cap just less than $3 trillion at 2.98. Visit my shop, cryptoshop.net, if you want to get a cute little cryptocurrency tank for the summer. You are able to purchase a stunning XRP Bitcoin tank top. Treat yourself to a t-shirt for $35 with free worldwide shipping. Release this gradually. It's rather large. Many of the exchanges are switching to this paradigm and hopping into this piece by bit. By the end of the quarter, users will be able to trade equities, indices, gold, and oil directly on the site, according to CEO Ben. So we're going to bed right away in the next 2 months. You can begin trading indices, stocks, gold, and oil. It's amazing to see so many cryptocurrency exchanges merge into one-stop shop, isn't it? You're beginning to see that, and I am convinced that many of these offers or stock exchanges will enter the cryptocurrency space. I don't think you'll need to go to Coinbase to receive cryptocurrency and shop for your stocks in Fidelity. I think the goal of Fidelity is to keep you on their website. They want to get their share, which is why they want your money. You will therefore resort to Fidelity. You will be able to purchase your cryptocurrency, and you know that we made it mainstream because of your stocks. Remember, there are other competitors entering the market. We have Goldman Sachs, which has declared its intention to enter the cryptocurrency space, and eToro, which has about 7 or 9 million customers. All of you people that have my privacy coin, this is a warning to you. It is important for Zcash holders to be aware that the European Union plans to outlaw anonymous cryptocurrency and privacy tokens by 2027. Monero, you must investigate and pay attention to this because, clearly, if this bill is approved and they take this seriously and they violate these privacy tokens, you can imagine what will happen. It's quite easy. According to the writing on the wall, prices are likely to plummet. Recall that when XRP was delisted from all US exchanges and even some foreign ones, its value dropped from $2 to just 17 cents. But consider this, XRP was clearly relisted. We are all aware that we were delisted due to the lawsuit, but if these private coins are banned, they won't be relisted. Therefore, the question is, which exchanges will continue to list them, And if any have already done so, will they switch to DEXs? DEX's only thing is to pay attention to the best Bitcoin cheat code. The worldwide M2 money supply is this. We have discussed this. In this thing, you can see exactly where we are. We're down here in this small dip. What follows is the ascent to more than 100, a slight fall, followed by an increase. Keep in mind that it's because we're experiencing a bull run. The road simply isn't up, up, up. There will be more ups than downs, but it's still an upward correction. And this was released by Raoul Paul. We are at, he says, low levels similar to what we had prior to the biggest bull run ever in 2013. Take a listen. He's an extremely intelligent individual. He has spent a considerable amount of time in the area. In order to predict the direction of the markets, he also keeps an eye on the M2 money supply. Take a listen to his thoughts here. Our cycle top indicator is a long way off, and we're not even close to it. Actually, we're at extremely low levels similar to what we were in 2013 prior to the biggest bull run ever. Now, I'm not promising that, but I'm simply stating that from a probabilistic standpoint, things are looking really good. I don't see any cause for concern. The legendary banana zone chart comes last. It's the same construct. It's not a mystery. The cycle of debt is being repeated. The debts are being rolled over. They are acting in a similar manner. Every cycle has nothing to do with a half cycle or any of that. The liquidity cycle is what drives everything, and debt financing. Phase 1 of the banana zone, banana number 1, the corrective zone, banana number 2, and another correction banana number 3 are presented to us at the beginning of each phase. Thus, the banana zone is this. Thus, in 2020, that is what took place. We're off in 2021. I apologize. That was in 2017, and this one looks a lot like it. That was the final one. Now, here we are. I find it calmly clearer. I've demonstrated the sentiment, technical, and macro evidence for you. I get the impression from everything that you should keep your headgear on. Don't mess this up. Keep your tokens under control. Avoid using leverage. Avoid getting branded with your wallet. Simply sit with it. Take caution. Avoid FOMO. If you do everything correctly, we'll go on to the next round of corrections are going to be more difficult since the next one will drop by 35% and everyone will say, is it over? And you'll be certain that it's over. It won't be over despite what everyone on Twitter will tell you. Our research indicates that as a result of the business cycle's extension and the longer duration of higher interest rates, the forward-looking liquidity indicates that, once more probabilistically and without any assurances, this entire situation devolves into Trump's efforts to win the midterm elections would coincide with Q1 or maybe Q2 or 2026. Thus, everything is prepared for us. I believe it begins. This may occur in Q1 or Q, and it would all be related to Trump's attempt to win or victory in the midterm elections. Finally, I would like to hear this small piece one more. Thus, hold on to the thus, we believe it has already begun. For those who are unaware, the debt cycle is the economic trend in which governments, corporations, and individuals gradually take on more debt until it becomes unstable and necessitates a significant reset.